Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to recover a Gmail password. First, make sure you're on a trusted device with a stable internet connection. Have the Gmail address and any recent password you remember. This speeds verification. Also, prepare the recovery phone or email and any backup codes you saved. Once done, navigate to Google's account recovery flow and enter your email. You'll be guided step by step. Follow prompts exactly and keep your phone nearby for incoming codes or prompts. Now you'll verify your identity. If you remember a recent password, enter it first. That often works. If not, choose an alternate verification method. Google will offer SMS codes, email codes, or a two-step verification prompt to an approved device. Use backup codes or your authenticator app if standard methods fail. Make sure you enter codes exactly and watch for small delays in SMS. If asked for when you created the account or other details, provide your best estimate to strengthen the recovery claim. After verification, you'll set a new password. Choose a unique 12+ character phrase with letters, numbers, and symbols so you don't reuse old passwords. Once changed, sign out other devices and update any apps that use Gmail credentials, like mail clients. Then enable two-step verification and add a backup phone or authenticator app for future safety. If recovery fails, use the detailed account recovery form. Submit as much accurate info as possible. And try again after 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.